Hello student, welcome again in your English class. I am Rekha Verma from New Catholic Mission School Jhabua, your English teacher. Children, in previous video we learn about naming words and word we use place of naming word. So children, what is naming words? Yes, you all know word which tell us name of people, person, animal, place or things are called naming words. And children, word we use place of naming words like he, she, it, I, you, we, they. Children, how many numbers of naming words? There are two types of numbers of naming words, singular numbers and plural number. Singular naming words like book, cat, place, bag is singular naming word, and plural naming words means more than one. Like book है तो book is singular and books is plural naming words. Cat, dogs is plural naming word. Cat, singular naming word. Cats, plural naming words. And when we use I for tell about oneself, and he we use place of singular boy or man naming words, and she we use singular girl or woman naming words, and they and we are plural words. So children, today we learn about uses of is, are, am. Now we learn about how to use of is, are, am. So children, we start our lesson number 15, is, are, am. Now I is used for oneself and we use with am. We use am with I. We use are with we or they or plural naming words. Plural naming words means books, yeah, Ram and Shyam are plural naming words. So we use are with plural naming words, and is we use is with he, she, it or singular naming words. Singular naming words means book, cat, yeah, Mohan, Meera is singular naming words. Is, am and are doing words which show what a person or thing is, and is, are, am is doing word. Doing words है और ये क्या शो करते हैं? पर्सन या थिंग्स क्या है, ये पर्सन एंड थिंग्स को शो करने के लिए हम is, are, am का यूज करते हैं. एंड when do we use is, are and am? We use am with I, we use are with plural naming words, and we use is with singular naming words and he, she, it. For example, I am a good girl. We are Indians. This is a cat. He is 7 years old. Here we use am with I, and here are used with we. We is plural word, so we use are with we. And is, we use is a singular naming words. Here a cat is singular naming words, so we use is with a cat. And we use also he, she, it, so is used with he. He is singular word, we use place of singular naming word. Here look at this table and say with me, I am a student. Amit, Mary, he, she are singular naming words. So we call Amit is a student. Mary is a student. He is a student. She is a student. Now you, we, they, Madhu and Shyam. Madhu and Shyam and they, we, you are plural naming words, so we use with are. You are students. We are students. They are students. Madhu and Shyam are students. The mango and it. The mango. Mango is singular naming words and it singular word. So we use with mango. The mango is sweet. It is sweet. Children, I hope you understood use of is, are, am, and we use is, are, am in present. Now exercise of this lesson you better understood of use of is, are, am. Number 1, the bus dash blue in color. What do you use with bus? We use is with bus because bus is a singular naming word. So you write here the bus is blue in color. Number 2, I, a dancer. We always use am with I. So you write here I am a dancer. Number 3, the kites. Here kites is plural naming word. So we use are with kites. The kites are colorful. Number 4, the window. Here window means only one window, means it is singular naming word. So we use here the window is closed. Number 5, the picture. Here picture is singular naming word. So we write here is with picture. The picture is beautiful. Number 6, there dash a house on the hill. Here a house. A house means single house, means singular naming word house. So we use house with is. There is a house on the hill. His eyes, here eyes. Eyes is plural naming words. Eyes, more than one eyes. So we write here are, because we use are with plural naming words. His eyes are red. Number 8, my friend's house. Here house. House is singular naming word. So we use is. My friend's house is on this street. Now exercise B. Tick the correct sentences. आपको यहाँ जो करेक्ट सेंटेंस है उस पर राइट का टिक करना है. Number 1, the sky is blue in the color. It is right sentence because sky is singular naming words and is with the sky. So it is correct sentence. You tick on right. Number 2, Kabir, Prabhas and Edwith is friends. It is wrong sentence because Kabir, Prabhas and Edwith are plural naming words. More than one, 3 है यहाँ पर. कबीर, प्रभास एंड एडविट. यहाँ पर हमको किसका यूज करना था? आर का. सो इट इज रॉन्ग सेंटेंस. Number 3, the candles. Here candles. Candles is plural naming word. So here right here the candles are brightly colored. It means it is right sentence. So we tick right. Number 4, the computer are broken. It is wrong sentence. Why? Because computer is singular naming word and here doing words plural. are हम are किसके साथ यूज करते हैं? प्लूरल नेमिंग वर्ड्स के साथ. एंड यहाँ कंप्यूटर क्या है? सिंगुलर नेमिंग वर्ड. सो इट इज रॉन्ग सेंटेंस. Number 5, Praveer is a naughty boy. Praveer. Praveer is singular naming word and is we also use is with singular naming word. So it is right sentence. Number 6, my hand are wet. It is wrong sentence because hand is singular और यहाँ सिंगुलर नेमिंग वर्ड्स की प्लेस के साथ आपको क्या यूज करना? इज. और यहाँ आर यूज किया है. इट मीन्स इट इज रॉन्ग सेंटेंस. नंबर 7, इट इज अ बिग बॉक्स. इट इज राइट सेंटेंस बिकॉज is used with it. So it is right sentence. Number 8, the stool is made of wood. It is right sentence because stool is singular naming words. Now exercise C. Match the words in column A with those in column B. The duck. Duck is singular naming word. The duck is in the pond. The clothes. Clothes is plural naming word. So the clothes are wet. The bucket is singular naming word. The bucket is full of water. It is a cold day. I am happy today. They are going to the market. Children, exercise is over. Now I hope you understood uses of is, are and am. Is, are, am is doing word and we use in present and we use am with I, we use is with he, she, it and singular naming word, and we use are with you, we, they and plural naming words. Children, I hope you understood is, are, am. Now our next lesson, lesson number 16. Has, have, had. Children, we use has with he, she, it and singular naming words. When do we use has? We use has with he, she, it and singular naming words, and we use have with I, you, we, they and plural naming words. Children, when we use have, we use have with I, you, we, they and plural naming words. I hope you understood singular and plural naming words. So children, look here, example. My pet dog is called Betty. Betty has many toys. Betty is singular naming words, so we use with has. She has a little pink pillow. She also has her own pillow. We use has with she. Now look at the sentences. I have a dog. I have dog. We use have with I. He has a football. We use has with he. They have many toys. We use have with they, and they is plural. Children, the words has and have tell us what someone owns. They tell us about something that happens now. We use have and has for ownership. जैसे किसी के पास बताने के लिए कि I have a pen, it means मेरे पास पेन है. I have a dog, मेरे पास डॉग है. He has a football, उसके पास फुटबॉल है. They have many toys, उसके पास बहुत सारे टॉयज है. They tell us about something that happened now, and have and has used in present. Have and when we use have and has, we use have and has in present. We also use has and have in sentence like this. She has a cold. A peacock has a long tail. Roshan and Radha have a sister. Here she is singular. So we use has with she. A peacock. Peacock is singular naming word, so we use has. And Roshan and Radha. Roshan and Radha is plural naming word, so we use have with Roshan and Radha. Now we see exercise of this lesson. Fill in the blanks with has or have. Number 1. She dash 20 coins in her dog. Children, what do you do with she? We use has with she. So you write here has. She has 20 coins in her bag. Number 2, they. What do you use with they? We use have with they. So you write here, they have 5 chairs in the room. Number 3, a car. A car is singular naming words. So we use with has. A car has 4 wheels. Number 4, a man. A man is singular naming words. So we use has with a man. A man has 2 hands. Number 5, they. They is plural word. So we use we have. They have a truck. Number 6, the woman. The woman is singular naming word. So we use has with woman. The woman has brown hair. Number 7, the books. Here books. Books are plural naming words. So we use have with books. The books have pretty pictures. Number 8, Sarath. Sarath is singular naming words. So we use has with Sarath. Sarath has an air conditioner at home. Children, I hope you understood use of have and has. Now we use had with both singular and plural naming words. We use had singular and plural naming words. The word had also tell us what someone owns, but it tells us about something that happened before. We use had singular and plural, both naming words. But when we use had then something that happened before. It means past. जब भी कोई वर्क पास्ट में कंप्लीट हो चुका है तब हम हैड का यूज करते हैं. For example, I had fever last week. He had a football match yesterday. They had many toys. Last week means I had fever last week. मुझे last week fever था. He had a football match yesterday. Yesterday means the day before today. मीन्स बीता हुआ कल. उसके पास कल फुटबॉल मैच था. दे हैड मेनी टॉयज. उनके पास टॉयज थे. सो चिल्ड्रन, द वर्ड हैड ऑल्सो टेल्स us what someone owns, but it tells us about something that happened before. Past के लिए हम had का यूज करते हैं. Now exercise B, tick the correct words. Sheena has or had fever yesterday. Here we talk about yesterday. It means we talk about past. So we tick on had. Sheena had fever yesterday. He have 2 brothers. Here he is singular naming word and we use has with he. He has 2 brothers. Number 3, yesterday Beena has or had an English test? Here we talk about yesterday, and yesterday means past. So we take on had. Yesterday Beena had an English test. Number 4, Radha. Here Radha is singular naming words. So we use has with Radha. Radha has a beautiful pink umbrella. Number 5, my school. Here my school. School is singular naming word. So we use has with my school. My school has a big playground. Number 6, you have or has a sweet smile. We also use have with you. So we tick on have. You have a sweet smile. Number 7, we. We is plural. So we tick on have because we use have with you, we, they and plural naming word. So we have lunch at 2 o'clock. Number 8, she. Here have had curly hair but now it is straight. It means we talk about in past and now it hair is straight. So we tick on had. She had curly hair means उसके hair curly थे, but now it is straight और अभी उसके hair straight है. Now exercise C. Fill in the blanks with has, have or had. Last year Rama started school in Delhi. She saw that the school. Here we talk about last year means we talk about past. So we write here had beautiful rooms, a sand pit and many swings for the children. It also had a small field. Here we talk about last year school. So we write here had. Now and now. Now Rama lives in Mumbai. Here he goes to a big school. This school has. We write here has because we talking about now in present. So we write here is, and this school means singular naming word. So we write here has a large playground. It also has a basketball court, a hall and many classrooms. Number 2. Yesterday I went to my friend Abhi's house. Here we talk about yesterday. It means we talk about past. So we use here had. We had a lot of fun. He has many toys. Now अब हम उसके बारे में बात करें. He has. So we write here he has many toys. We played with all of them. Abhi is singular naming word. So we write here has an elder brother. He played with us. Abhi also has a pet cat. The cat is singular naming word. So we write here has. The cat has light brown fur and sea green eyes. Children, I hope you understood uses of have, has and had. We use have and has in present and we use had in past. We use have, are, you, we and plural naming words, and we use has with he, she, it and singular naming words, and we use had with both singular and plural naming words. And children, you say with me, I have a red car. We have a red car. They have a red car. You have a red car. Sam has a red car. ये आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है एंड पूरी एक्सरसाइज आपको आपकी ग्रामर बुक में कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, थैंक यू.